व्हाट इज द लाबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी? लाबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी होती क्या है?
Labiaplasty is basically a vaginal rejuvenation procedure wherein the inner or the outer labial lips, that is the skin tissue, is reduced for a variety of reasons. It may be also combined with other procedures if and when required.
व्हाई इज इट डन? लाबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी क्यों करवाते हैं?
देखो, लेबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी करने के कोई रीजंस हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि फॉर एस्थेटिक पर्पस और इट कैन बी डन फॉर हेल्थ पर्पसेस. एस्थेटिकली इट इज डन when somebody is not happy with the shape, size or symmetry or the overall looks of the genital or the private area. हेल्थ वाइज वो तभी किया जाता है जब कुछ लेबिया के साइज की वजह से परेशानी हो रही है, जैसे कि सेक्सुअल इंटरकोर्स के दौरान अगर पेन हो रहा है, या बल्कि लेबियल टिश्यू की वजह से अगर वहां पे इन्फेक्शन हो रहा है, स्पेशली फंगल इन्फेक्शन हो रहा है, और व्हेन ड्यू टू द बल्की टिश्यू देयर इज पेन एंड इरोजन ऑफ द लेबियल टिश्यू ड्यू टू टाइट अंडर गारमेंट्स और टाइट क्लोथिंग. So these are the aspects where the health reasons dominate the labiaplasty.
इज इट मेडिकली नीडेड? क्या लाबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी मेडिकली नीड है करवाने की?
Yes, like we discussed right now, whenever there is any aspects like pain during the intercourse where the bulky tissue interferes with the healthy sexual practices, or when the bulky tissue folds on itself and causes fungal infections in the genital area, or when it is causing pain due to tight clothing, in these cases, we perform labiaplasty for health reasons.
इज देयर एनीवन हु शुड नॉट डू लाबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी? क्या ऐसा कोई है जो जिन्हें लाबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी नहीं करवानी चाहिए?
Labiaplasty is an elective procedure, so patient should be in good health before planning to go ahead with the surgery. Hence, other aspects of health like diabetes, blood pressure, all should be under good control. And additionally, smokers में healing बहुत poor होता है और recovery भी time लेती है. Hence, in smokers, one should avoid these surgeries, or there should be a gap of at least 3 weeks. The patient should quit smoking for 3 weeks before undergoing labiaplasty surgery.
What is the potential risk involved in labioplasty surgery? लाबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी करवाने के रिस्क क्या-क्या इन्वॉल्व है?
देखो, लेबियाप्लास्टी एक सर्जरी है, कोई भी सर्जरी में थोड़े से प्रमाण में रिस्क तो होती है. इन लेबियाप्लास्टी ऑल्दो देयर आर नो लॉन्ग टर्म रिस्क, बट इन द शॉर्ट टर्म देयर मे बी ड्राइनेस ऑफ द वल्वा रीजन and there may be temporary reduction in the labial sensations.
What are the after results of labioplasty surgery? लाबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी करवाने के बाद क्या-क्या रिजल्ट्स एक पेशेंट एक्सेप्ट कर सकता है?
When labiaplasty is done, especially for cosmetic or aesthetic reasons, the outcome will be a very pleasing and beautiful looking genital region where the labial tissue appears neat and trim and tucked inside. And when it is done for health reasons, then any infection or other things are avoided. The sexual intercourse becomes painless and pleasing, and one is also able to wear any aspects of clothing, any beach wear, swimwear or tight clothing is also possible, which was not possible previously.
Which doctor does the labioplasty surgery? लाबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी कौन से डॉक्टर करते हैं?
See, labiaplasty is essentially mainly a cosmetic or a plastic surgical procedure. So, board certified plastic surgeon is the best person to handle these type of surgeries because he is well versed with all the anatomy as well as all the aesthetic and beautification procedures.
What are the procedure to do this labioplasty surgery? लेबियोप्लास्टी सर्जरी करवाने के क्या-क्या प्रोसीजर होते हैं?
See, there are various aspects to it, and only after a thorough examination can we decide what all things need to be done. The procedure can be customized as per the requirement of the individual. So it can only be reduction of the inner vaginal lips or the outer vaginal lips. It may be also combined with vaginal tightening or a hymenoplasty or a clitoral hood reduction. Lastly, one may also add fat grafting in the outer lips to make a good and aesthetic appearance of the overall genital area. Overall, this all these procedures individually or combined give good aesthetic outcomes and a pleasing and aesthetic appearance of the vaginal region.
What precautions are to be made after the surgery? सर्जरी के बाद क्या-क्या precautions follow करने पड़ सकते हैं?
देखो सर्जरी बहुत बड़ी सर्जरी नहीं होती है, बट 2-3 दिन के लिए एंटीबायोटिक्स और पेन किलर्स की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. For 2 to 3 days, one may consider icing of the area so that there is relieving of any pain, whatever minor pain there may be. For 1 week, for about 1 week, one has to use a sanitary napkin so that the area remains well protected. As far as the slightly later post-op precautions, one has to avoid any sexual intercourse for about 6 weeks. Also, heavy gym, weight training, and cycling should be avoided for 6 weeks. However, normal things like day jobs or other routine work can be started within 2 to 3 days.
Is there a follow-up appointments are done after the surgery? क्या सर्जरी के बाद कुछ follow-up appointments भी होते हैं?
जी जरूर. सर्जरी के बाद टू गेट द बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स यू हैव टू मेंटेन अ गुड फॉलो अप विद योर प्लास्टिक सर्जन. So you have to see him ideally at 2 weeks so that to just confirm that there is no bleeding or any early issues. Later on, you have to follow by 1 week and at 1 month so that there is a good close follow up of the surgeon and you get the best possible results and outcomes.
Is there anything one should know before making an appointment? क्या अपॉइंटमेंट लेने से पहले किसी एक इंसान को कुछ जरूरी सूचना प्राप्त होने की जरूरत है?
Gee, this is a very important question. One must ensure that all these procedures, being operative surgical procedures, these must always be done in accredited hospitals with well-equipped operation theaters. But if you are already opted for a board-certified plastic surgeon, he'll ensure that all these aspects and issues are taken care of so that the safety and outcomes are maintained.